G'day, it's John Russell from Jam Group bringing you the construction update for February 2023 for Nuovo, Arana Hills, Stage 1. The driveways are now complete for lots 1 to 18. The side and front access pathways are now underway. The landscaping for the rear of the terraces along with the barbecue framing will be underway shortly. For lots 19 to 30, we are waiting for the ring road internally to be complete before we continue with internal work. As for the residences, we're now on the second levels for lots 52 to 55, framing for roof installation. The remaining resident slabs will be poured in the coming weeks. Welcome to the internals of the terraces. We are now approaching builders' clean and defects for lots 1 to 18, with internal tiling, painting, joinery and tapware, kitchen appliances and carpet now installed. We have completed some of the internal stairs and insulation for lots 19 to 30. Thank you for watching this update, and I'll see you next month.